Nationwide, there are 570 federally recognized tribes. 4 are in Maine: the Maliseet, Micmac, Passamaquoddy, and Penobscot. Collectively, they're known as the Wabanaki. The tribes in Maine are currently excluded from benefiting from federal laws because of the terms of the Maine Indian Claims Settlement Act of 1980. Good evening and thanks for joining us here on News Center Maine at 5:30. I'm Zach Blanchard. Chris Costa is off tonight. Ever since the passage of the Settlement Act, members of the tribes in Maine say they've been at a disadvantage. Today, members of the Maine legislature heard testimony on a bill aimed at giving federal benefits back to Maine's tribes. News Center Maine's Sean Stackhouse has the latest.
But our exclusion from federal beneficial laws has handicapped our ability to adequately respond.
Passamaquoddy Chief at Sipayak, Rena Newell, speaking passionately before the legislature's Judiciary Committee Wednesday. A bill before the committee would reverse language in the Maine Indian Land Claims Settlement Act and allow Maine tribes to benefit from all federal laws aimed at supporting them.
And would allow the Wabanaki nations to enjoy the same rights, privileges, powers, and immunities as every other federally recognized tribe in the United States.
Speaker of the House Rachel Talbot Ross is sponsoring the bill that would allow Maine's tribes to benefit from federal laws, doing away with the rule that Maine law preempts federal law. Tribal leaders say since 1980, there have been 151 laws passed in Congress they didn't get to benefit from.
Where the restrictions from the state are what holds us back from being able to progress.
Aaron Dana is the Passamaquoddy tribal representative in the Maine legislature. He says being able to receive more federal benefits would help put the Wabanaki nations on a level playing field with hundreds of tribes around the country and lead to economic growth.
For us to progress and move forward, this is definitely very crucial for the tribes here in the state of Maine. You know, when it comes to economic development, when it comes to social economic development, when it comes to even just commerce within our districts.
Those wishing to speak in opposition, welcome.
Some have concerns about this bill. Governor Janet Mills, chief legal counsel, speaking in opposition to the proposal, claiming it would lead to confusion and legal challenges.
It creates an unconstitutionally vague statute that would not withstand a court challenge. And unfortunately, I think if this bill were enacted, litigation is not a likelihood, it is a certainty.
Attorney General Aaron Fry speaking neither for nor against the bill, claiming it would create gaps in authority with a drastic change in law. But tribal leaders argue it's what they need to support themselves and surrounding communities after decades of hardships. The bill would not change rules for gambling and gaming or for how serious crimes are prosecuted. In Augusta, Sean Stackhouse, News Center.